Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping active interference. Close all Safari tabs and note which site shows the redirect error. Once done, disable extensions. Some inject redirects, so you can isolate the cause. Next, clear Safari's cache and cookies for the offending site only. This removes stale session tokens that trigger redirect loops. Make sure to keep iCloud Keychain active or export passwords first so you don't lose logins. This immediate cleanup often breaks the redirect cycle, so you can test the site cleanly. Once the cache is cleared, test in a private window to see if the issue persists. Private sessions bypass some stored data. If it still redirects, verify your device date/time and disable VPN or proxy services that can alter headers and provoke server redirects. Also inspect cookies and site data. Go to Safari settings, find the domain, and remove its website data to force a fresh session. If redirects stop under these conditions, you've narrowed it to stored state or a network intermediary altering requests. To finish, restart your device and router to clear transient networking issues, then retry the site. If redirects continue, contact the website's admin. Servers misconfigured with conflicting redirects or bad cookies often need server fixes. Make sure macOS and Safari are updated. If the problem persists, reset Safari settings or reinstall updates to restore default networking behavior. If none of this helps, try another browser to confirm it's Safari specific. That result guides whether to escalate to system support or the site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.